My experience here is it's really cool because there's just so many different types of jobs, jobs that I didn't even know were a thing.
I've been to a job fair at my old school. It wasn't quite like this though.
I think it's really cool because you get to check out all the jobs and they're handing out pretty cool things.
An event like this opens up a whole new world to students of jobs that they never even knew existed.
We really appreciate being exposed to students so that they can understand the options that are out there for them.
Yes, it really has helped me a lot, just to help me decide what am I doing.
That was pretty good. That was really good. I really enjoyed it.
I learned that there's many different paths I can take to plan for my future and have a successful future.
We have semi-trailers here, we have cars here. Those types of things don't get to be brought to individual schools. So when you're out in the community and public like this, it just gives them a lot more exposure and understanding.